Okay guys, let's start. So, mabilis lang to. Sacramento Kings versus New Orleans Pelicans. So, 12-13 yung Kings. 12 wins, 13 loss. Tapos, 5 wins, 20 loss itong New Orleans Pelicans. So, both teams are not in good condition. Pero, much better yung record ng Kings. So, let's go. Let's see the spread. So, the spread Kings has minus 6.5, so Pelicans plus 6.5. So, yamado yung Kings. Kahit home court ng Pelicans, so ang home court advantage will be at the Pelicans. Pero the bookie, the ad makers, see this as si Kings minus 6.5. So, may plus 6.5 yung Pelicans. So, over and under 232, medyo mataas. Pero, makikita naman natin mamaya kung bakit. So, health and availability. Kings injury report, Devin Carter out, Isaiah Crawford out, Trey Liles out, Mason Jones out. So that's the injuries and availability of the rosters of the Kings. So punta naman tayo sa Pelicans. So Jose Alvarado out, Javonte Green questionable, Zion Williamson out, Brandon Ingram out, Jordan Hawkins out. So Carlo Matkovic out. So that's the injury or the out availability or the players that will not play for the New Orleans Pelicans. So ayan, as we can see the Pelicans has a lot of players that would not play tomorrow. So I think the health and availability I will side is in the favor of the Kings. So for the health and availability, I think the Kings has more edge than the Pelicans. So ayan, helpful facts. Last season, New Orleans swept the series between these teams going 5-0. So Pelicans has a lot of injured key players. So makikita naman natin that Pelicans has a lot of injured key players. Grant Tep, Jose Alvarado is out. So, malaking tulong yun nung sila ay naglaban. Tapos, si Brandon Ingram and Zion Williamson is out. I think I see here that Kings have a lot of edge right now. But on momentum, both of them are not in good momentum. Wala sa kanila yung may momentum ngayong season. Both of them are losing teams. But Pelicans has a lot more losses than wins. I think for the momentum, Kings medyo mas maayos yung yung kalagayan ng Kings. Pero I think Kings can win but will be what do you call this? Not so hindi masyadong malaki yung lamang. It will be a close game. So for me, 6.5 is a big odds. So for me, 6.5, I will side for the Pelicans. Alam ko maraming kokontra dito. I know a lot of people will say that Pelicans has no star. Why do you side with Pelicans? But that my gut feeling tells me that Pelicans can still win or even or make it even close because a lot of their games Pelicans has win, especially last season. They swept the Kings 5 to nothing, especially on the play-in tournament where Zion Williamson did not play but still Pelicans won. So for me, I will side for the Pelicans right now. 6.5 plus 6.5. And for the over under, I will go over 232.5. Why? Because when the both teams go head to head, a lot of their games go over. I remember last time it was a in season tournament. Yeah, right, that's it. The in season tournament. I go the ad line is 238.5. I bet on under but still it goes over. So I think That's why I'm going to side with the over today. Over 232.5 for Pelicans versus Kings. So again, Pelicans plus 6.5. Over and under over 232.5. So that's my pick for Pelicans versus Kings. So that's all guys. Thank you and good luck. For please like and share, subscribe and comment your thoughts on how on this. That's all. Peace.